Hey traders, welcome to the channel The Blackjack Trading. I hope you are all doing well. So in today's video, we are going to analyze as to what we have done today in the today's trading over here. So we have traded in the New York session today. We have started with a small capital of 120 and I'm going to show you all the trades that we have taken today in the four trades, these four trades that we have taken today. How much percentage did we make and how did they actually took these trades. So since my notional capital was 400, I'll give you the statistics first of all. So my notional capital is $400 dollars. So every stop loss is around $4. 1% is a stop loss and the target is around $12 in the market. Okay. So let's see what we have done today in these four trades at the market. So first one, exactly at 7 p.m. when the New York session started in the market, you can see that exactly at 7 p.m. The market started going downside, took out the sell side liquidity over here. So what did the market did over here? First of all, the price took out the sell side liquidity in the market. Okay. So price took out all the stop losses of all the buyers, you can say. So sell side liquidity was taken out. And then what did happen? The price started moving towards the upside. As you can see, the momentum started towards the upside. So this was my first momentum based trade in the market. So this is the momentum based trade. Why? Because once the price took out the downside liquidity, is highly probable that the price will take out the upside liquidity in the market. And I've also marked this major line over here. If you can see over here, this was the previous day high over here. Okay, this was the previous day high, which I was expecting that the price will take it out and then the price will go towards the downside, and that really happened. So the price actually, I took my first buy over here, but over here, what you can see that this was the first stop loss in the market and the price went downside. From this, we make a notion that this was another swing in the market, and after the price will give us a good reaction, which was over here. We have taken 1:3 over here. However, the price didn't touch my 1:3, rather took my break even. So once my price, or you can say once my this reward is above 2.5 R, okay, then what do I mostly do is that I put my stop loss on the break even itself. So if you will look over here in the close trades, first of my trade was stop loss. So $3.68 was it was taken out this in momentum, and then the second trade, you can see that I closed this trade at around 0.35 because the price took out the daily high, and that's what I was expecting. Either the price will continue majorly towards the upside or the price will try to move towards the downside only. Okay, and then the thing only happened. The price started going towards the downside, and based on this liquidity hunt over here, we took another trade in the market. Once the price gave us another support, major support in the market, and then started moving towards the downside. In this trade, I took more than 1:3, I believe, because I closed my trade around 13.94. My original stop loss was $4 and my target was $12. However, I took around $13.94 in this. So basically, these three trades, all of my brokerage was also being taken in the market. Okay, and then suddenly, what did happen after taking out this major high? Making this major big sell leg in the market, it was expected that the price will create a buy leg. So the price did create a buy leg. I was actually looking for a trade over here, but I didn't get any. Okay, the price directly moved towards the upside without giving me any kind of buy trade in the market. But then price suddenly started consolidating, and in this consolidation, price was creating a series of higher highs. So first the price created a support over here, then a major support over here, and then another support over here. And then the price did what? The price took out this major momentum towards the upside. So based on this survival of these higher lows, I thought the price would try to move upside and try to take out this liquidity. However, it didn't happen. The price actually moved up, swept up the upside liquidity over here. Sweep this upside liquidity over here. So this was my last trade over here. As you can see, after 13.94, I actually took this trade in the market, and then suddenly I have to do the break even as well, because this was expected that either this will trade will go towards the upside creation because of the creation of the high lows, or the price will take out this liquidity and then started moving towards the downside. And that really did happen. The price actually just to sweep the upside liquidity, so that I actually made it to break even $1.5. Mostly negative. It was a $4 stop loss, but I actually protected my stop loss, and that's how I made around 2% today in the market. So the total return was around $7.51 we made out of, you can say, notional capital was 400. So around 2% we created the amount today, and then suddenly, as I also see, this trade was there. However, my four trades were done, and that is why I was not able to take this trade. As you can see, this was the fifth trade in the market, but as per my discipline, I'm only allowed four trades per day. So in total, we to make today more than 2% of the capital today. Okay, this is how we have taken the trade, except for the brokerage. If we calculate the brokerage, so what would happen is we have made around 1.75% of the market, 1.75 something like this. So it's around about 2% in the market, including the brokerage and excluding the brokerage, as I've told you. Okay, so these are the major trades that we have taken in the market, and then there was a consolidation. So I was trying to backtest and move forward. However, the price was a little bit majorly consolidating in the market, but in the today's session, we have made a good profit in the market, and we will be continuing this series in the future as well in the tomorrow's London session. So what we majorly do is there are three sessions in the market: the Asian, the London, and the New York. We don't trade in the Asian because of the lack of the volatility, or sometimes due to high brokerages as well. We majorly target the London session and the New York session, which starts at 11:30 a.m. my time, IST. So from 11:30 a.m. we take four trades around in the market, and then the New York starts at exactly at 7 p.m. in the evening itself. Okay, so these are the two timings in which we we trade, and we also put on some Zoom calls as well. So if you want to join a Zoom call and you want to make some good returns on an everyday basis like us, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, the blackjack trading. So over here we try to trade much, and I'm putting all the smart money concepts videos, and more people are watching this stuff on an everyday basis. As you can see, I put up 9% profit ratio over here, and 60 views has already been done. So be the next guys and learn it for free of cost. There is no charges over here as something, and just try to trade more beautifully and professionally and make everyday market, or you can say make everyday trading your best trading in the. Okay guys, till then, see you in the next video. Tomorrow let's see what the news is. So over here doing the tomorrow's fundamental analysis, you can see a lot of news that is going to be coming tomorrow in the sets itself. So exactly at 7 a.m. the EUD employment change is going to be there in the Asian session. 11:30 GBP the claimant count change is going to be there. Exactly at 5:45 the euro main refinancing rate is going to be there. So this is highly important. Okay, this is highly important because the refinancing rate is going to be there, and we can actually catch a lot of pips in the market. Exactly at 7 or you can say 6 p.m. USD the unemployment claims is going to be released, and 6:15 the euro the press conference is going to be there. So there is going to be high volatility tomorrow as well. As you can see, there is a lot of news that is going to be released in the market tomorrow. And on Friday itself, there will be two news: 11:30 am GBP, the retail sales data is going to be released. This is low volatility kind of news in the market, and then the Canadian dollar retail sales and the core retail sales is going to be released in the market. So we'll be trading on the news on the Zoom calls as well. So do not forget to join the Zoom calls. You can WhatsApp us on a number. I have given the number in the descriptions for any queries. And guys, take care and see you in the next video.